bite. It's on, huh?
Ai nói như phong bé hả? Có bỏ một đôi shot left hand side này.
Outfished. So you gotta get a truck.
I know. That last time we came, I said, man, there was more than weekend.
Yeah.
Hell of people, dude.
Yeah.
Especially right up here.
Mm-hmm.
Because we took the spot. They want the rock, you know?
Yeah.
For swimming. We want this rock because we want to fish out that way too.
Yeah.
The kids came from over here. There's a lot. Cause I've never seen that much over here at the lake yet. So. And then we left at about 1 o'clock. And then I had to put my boat, the kayak up top. I was like, oh man, it's one more time, you know. I said, see, Mom, if I bought a truck and I could just listen in the back and we would be on our way, you know. But I had to throw that line over. Majo had to hook it to the thing. I tied it on my side. I was on top of my car, literally on top of my car.
Yeah.
Tossed it over. She hooked it on the bottom. Told her to hook it. I hooked it back around it. I'm like, yeah.
It's a lot more work. Are there any bass here?
Yeah, more.
What?
No, they caught a 6 pound 3 weeks ago.
Oh.
Right here. It's like up there. But y'all how busy they someone sheriff boat out on the lake.
Yeah.
Like Memorial Day. Summertime. You know, when I first got here, I asked a bunch of people and they just said, you know, this lake, that lake. But they wouldn't tell you where though.
Ah.
And then I got the word Lunker Landing. This is called Lunker Landing. And then
yeah.
I first came, took the road by myself, and right when we got before the bathroom, like, oh, okay, I didn't know it would come over here too. I said, okay, I'm just gonna back up and fish out. I fished out that way. Yeah. Chimangele.
There's no fish over there, huh?
Yeah. Chimangele. Then I went home. I said, what the, but there ain't no fish, dude. You do a little walk? I said, where? Keep going. Came back out here. It was me and Apamuli, you go on. You go look at my hand.
Ah. Yeah.
At that time this spot was hot.
Yeah.
Right now,
Yeah.
Buddy told me about the backside, so the backside we went yesterday. And Dad, the reason we came early was because Dennis caught too. Dad said he wasn't feeling good. He's like, my heart's beating fast. We should go right now. So I said, okay, so I wrapped up everything and we just left.
Yeah.
He ate, he said, what's the food? So we brought a little food with us.
Yeah.
That's just right there in my bag. So we took a few bites out of it, and then he said his heart started pounding really fast. And then he's like, I'm like, my heart's beating really fast. We should go right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Just in case. I gotta go. Put it on camera.
Oh, I think you let go. Yeah, he's on. He's on. Yeah. Yeah.
I got to that.
I know they saw. Man, this rod is super light.
I got to light.
Yeah. Oh, they don't put much of a fight, huh?
No, no, huh? Cái squeeze set jack shit của mình. I can look. I can look. Yung ano nung go, mama yung go, pa. Look,
There you go. Yeah. Size.
Yeah. Take a look.
Những món gọt kia嚟啊！ Was this rainbow or brown? Rainbow. Yeah.
Chúng ta la cho really neat. Có cái kiểu từ tổ.
Yeah, có kiểu gì tổ. Not all. Breakfast, huh? Man, it's cold. Whew. Nhớ nó tên gì thì nhớ nó à? Ê, thiệt balloon đó. Did it bite? It's on, huh? Yeah, it's on. Woo. All right. Yeah. Chắc phải sầm lại đây lò nữa nè. Look at that. Nice trout. Native species trout here. This guy's probably about 8 to 10 inches. Ooh, thick snow now. We're fishing out here at Crater Lake. It's so cold. It's snowing right now. Oh, probably 20 degrees. Ooh, here it comes. Oh, just going sideways now. Oh, what happened to my phone? What the heck? Mùa thì bây giờ mùa sao? Tao chỉ tỏ ra. Tao chỉ tỏ lại chứ. Cái mùa sao?
Lúc bạn nói họ chỉ chỉ mà biết tôi ra nó mà chỉ mong cái về tới nào vẫn bên nào.
Yeah, lý do cho. Lý do phải là có tốt đâu.
Lúc bạn nói chỉ mong jelly thì chỉ mà họ về tới trong nó thì nên chỉ consistent thì chân jelly chỉ cả tàu na.
Yeah. Oh, nó thật đã liều.
Yeah.
Chỉ sao có liều. Oh, ô nó gì chuyện nữa. Oh, man. Oh.